Hey everyone! Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Roblox account has been hacked, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your account safely and quickly. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your phone or PC. In the search bar, type Roblox Support and open the official Roblox Support page. Once the page opens, tap on I need help with my account. Now tap on my account was hacked. Roblox will show you different options. If you still have access to your account, you can change your password or enable two-factor authentication to make it secure. This is the fastest way to protect your account. But if you cannot access your account, scroll all the way down and tap on Customer Support. Here, you need to provide some important details. Type your email address and username. Select the device type you normally use. Tap on Help category and select Account Hacked or Can't Log in from the dropdown. In the box below, explain your problem clearly. Write what happened, how you lost access, and any suspicious activity you noticed. The more information you provide, the faster Roblox can help you recover your account. Once you submit the form, Roblox Support will review your case and contact you via email. Make sure to check your email regularly for updates and follow their instructions carefully. And that's it. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.